Okay, so this turned into a real cluster. I couldn't get the seal. Oop, there's do something about that. I couldn't get that seal right there out when it was underneath the car. When I was underneath the car working, I know it's gotten late here. I just didn't turn out well. So, I mean, I just didn't have the room to do it. I couldn't get a good angle, and I couldn't get my puller in there. I couldn't do any work. So I ended up pulling the spindle pin out, pulling the whole strut out. Then I was able to work on it. I got the bearings out. That was relatively easy. There's that's the bearing. You kind of knock that out through the hub. There's two little spots that you can get at. You kind of drive it out through the back of the hub. Here's the rest of the stuff I have to work on. We'll be cleaning this up here in a minute. I'll have to get this off. I got a bearing puller to get that off. This is just set on so I won't lose track of stuff. Clean up this surface where the grease seal runs. You know, a lot easier to work on now that it's out. As far as what I'm going to do to put the bearing in, so well, since I got it out, I might as well go ahead and use the press. So I've got this kind of a Jenga-fied, you know, setup. Be real careful with that mess. But I do have this secured now. I hit this with some brake clean. I've got a appropriate fitting there to push the bearing in. So all I got to do now is just get that out. I'll use it. This is where the sealed bearing goes. It goes on the outside, so I'll press that on here in just a few minutes. How's it going to press on? I can't use this because it's got that nose that sticks up. I'll have to find a socket that will go on the outside. I was thinking I could press it with this thing, but this will be pressing on that little nose. Darn. All right, well, scrap that idea. I'll come back to that in a little bit, but using the strap to secure it, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, but this turned into a real mess real fast. Actually, you know, the weird part about it is the bearings actually seem to be in pretty good shape, and there's plenty of grease still on them. I was kind of surprised at that. Here's the 45-year-old bearing in grease, you know. So I don't know where that noise was coming from, but it doesn't really matter at this point. I got them out. I'm going to be replacing them, and that's that. Anyway, just a quick update. I just wanted to let you know that my Waterloo was that stinking bearing right here. This seal. This thing here fought me tooth and nail to get this out. I mean, it just did not want to come out at all. So, you know, sometimes things don't go according to plan. Anyway, more later when I get the bearing all pressed in and all that, I'll come back. What a mess. Thanks for watching.